Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to block specific websites on iPhone. For that, firstly go to your settings. Now there you can see the option screen time. You need to simply tap on that. After that, if you scroll down a bit, there you will see the option content and privacy restrictions. Simply tap on that. Again, you will be led to this kind of page. Now, before doing anything, make sure that this content and privacy restriction option is on. If not, then simply toggle up the button. The option is already turned on in my mobile device. Now, after that, tap on Store Web, Siri and Game Center content. And there you can see the option Web Content. Tap over there. Now here three options are provided. Make sure to choose the limit adult websites. Now after that, at the downside, you can see two boxes, always allow and never allow. Now at the never allow box, if you type the URL or enter the URL of the specific website that you want to block, or if you don't want your mobile device to show, then you need to simply enter that link or URL over here. After you are done adding the URL, you can simply tap on done. And after that, the specific website will be blocked in your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.